Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you super easy TikTok transitions that you can use to make your videos look smooth and totally viral worthy. So what makes a good TikTok transitions? The first one is the smooth movement and also perfect timings. So you don't need expensive tools, just your phone, TikTok, or any editing app that you like. So the first one and one of the easiest transition ever is the hand cover. So all you do is, let's say you can just open TikTok camera like this. So let's say this is a front camera. You can just move your hand toward the camera until it fully cover the lens like this. And after that, you can change your outfits or scenes and start the next clip with your hand already covering the lens, and you can just pull your hand away like this, and you can have smooth transition. And the second one is the spin. So for this one, you just need to hold your phone steady and do a quick spin or turn your camera sideways like this. And after that, you can start your next clip by finishing the exact same movement. For example, if you slide it this way, then you can start the next video the right like this. So match the motion is the secret. It makes everything look seamless. And the next transition is the slide jump. So another popular transition is the slide jump. How you can do it, you can just film yourself sliding out the frame to the right, and after that you can start the next clip by sliding back in from the same direction. So you can go with this, and after that in the same directions, or you can also jump up and start the next clip landing. So we can go with this, and then after like this. Okay, and the next one, the next steps to make your transitions go viral, you need to record in natural light, and don't forget to also add sound effects for extra punch, and use a trending audio. It is very important for you. And don't forget to also keep your cuts fast and clean, and match your movement exactly between clips. So these tiny details can take your video from simple to wow. So that's pretty much it. Now you know how you can make a viral ready TikTok transition. That's pretty much all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next video.